outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow.
Way down among Brazilians, coffee beans grow by the billions, so they've got to find those extra cups to fill. They've got an awful lot of coffee in Brazil.
Take time to make yourself feel good, and you do whatever you want, 'cause you can now. In my world, making up for losing so much time, 'cause you can now. In my world, I'm gonna make you feel alright. Today I don't feel like to. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand.
Well, I'm off. Have a good day, my darlings.